Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to third class, a solution to all the problems in class as far as science subjects are concerned. Please, if this is the first time to visit us, consider subscribe and click on the notification button so as to be notified every time we upload a new video. And please like, share and comment. In this video tutorial, we shall be looking at how to rationalize denominators of fractions. For example, in question number 1, we are going to rationalize the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3. Now, like I told you from the beginning, rationalizing means we have the denominator as a rational number. It should not be in form of surds. Everything here should be in form of a fraction, but with the denominator as a rational number, not as a surd. So in this case, this is what we do. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So in this case, we are going to do it this way: the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3, and then divide by the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3. But remember, we are multiplying both sides with the conjugate. The conjugate of the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3 is going to be this. Remember, we only change the sign. So we multiply both sides by the conjugate of the denominator. Don't multiply with the conjugate of the numerator, just multiply with the conjugate of the denominator. So the next thing we are going to do is now to simplify. So we are going to multiply these terms with everything in the brackets. So in simple terms, I will just put this and put into brackets the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3. Then I put this sign, the square root of 3 into square root of 2 plus the square root of 3. Then under root, I'll then put this also. So the square root of 2 into the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3. Then see, this sign is minus the square root of 3 into the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3. So I am now going to open the brackets. So square root of 2 times square root of 2 is the same as 2. From this rule, we said the square root of a times the square root of a is the same as a, because this one is the same as the square root of a squared, and this goes with this, so we remain with a. So that's why the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 will be 2. So we shall put here 2, and then this times this, from square root of a times square root of b being equal to square root of ab. That means here we are going to have the square root of 2 times square root of 3 is going to be plus square root of this times this, which is 6. And then we come here and say plus the square root of this and this is also square root of 6, because this times this is 6. Then plus this times this will also be 3, since it has the same terms under root. And then put below the denominator, we shall have this times this, which is equal to 2. We already know that because they are the same under root. And then this times this is plus the square root of 6. Then negative square root of 3 times this will be negative square root of 6. And then negative 3 square root of 3 times this will be minus this, and this is 3. Now the next thing is we are going to collect like terms. So this will be brought here and this one will be added on to this. So 2, then plus 3, then plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6, and then divided by 2 minus 3, then plus square root of 6 minus square root of 6. So this and this will disappear because they have cancelled with each other, and then this and this is 5, then this is plus 2 to the square root of 6, and then it's going to be divided with this and this is negative 1. So in simple terms, here the answer becomes, you divide this by everything here, minus that, minus 2 to the square root of 6. So we have rationalized it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you soon as you consider subscribing, and then share with friends so that we can utilize the chance all together.